So we're looking at microphone adapters tonight. Now, for the videos that I make, I use this right here. This is a Hollyland Lark M2. I use both microphones, one on my chest and one on the grabber so that I can get the proper sounds of like crunching cans and bags and stuff like that. Now, on my camera, this is the X4. I have this thing mounted. Let me pull it out real quick. I have it mounted just like so, with the adapter plugged in right here, and the cable runs up to this point, and we have to mount it offset because we got to be able to pull the battery out in the field without taking the camera off. Insta360 sent me an X5 to make some videos with, and with that I need to be able to use the microphone. Now, initially what I did is I used a little bit of TPU here, and I made a adapter just like this. Plugs into the side like so, and then the microphone went in here, and we'd run that cable just from there to there, and this works pretty good. But the problem on this is that you can still see the adapter. You have the same issue with this one. You can see that adapter. And one of the really nice things that I have found is that since Insta360 has this, let me pull this out real quick, has this quick release mount, then that gives you more filming options. And to be able to pull that off and use it for, say, something like the invisible stick thing, well, you don't want to see that component. So I had to redesign the mount, and let me show you what I made. Now, take this one off. So we're still using the same mounting point. We're right behind the microphone adapter here, but this is the new mount, and you can see it's quite a bit different. That right there is a big magnet. So we put this in there just like so. Come on, there we go. Plug that one in just like that, and the microphone receiver goes on this one. Now on this camera, this thing has to be offset because that's where the battery is. But on the X5, the microphone is on the same side as the power switch. And to be able to get to that power switch, obviously this just as a fixed piece isn't going to work. So I made it flexible so I can bend this out to hit the power switch, and then that magnet pulls it back straight. And with this one, you can't see any of it. While you're looking at it like this, obviously it's there, but when you look at it with the, say, invisible stick mode or anything like that, then none of this is visible. And that is exactly what we want. So I think that right there is a winner. New microphone adapter. Pretty awesome.